This video is on sine, cosine, and tangent. In this video, we're going to look at the trig ratios sine, cosine, and tangent. The ratio for sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse. The ratio for cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And the ratio for tangent is opposite over adjacent. So opposite and adjacent is dependent on what angle we're referring to. Hypotenuse is always going to be the line segment opposite the right angle, the 90-degree angle. If I'm referring to angle A, then my opposite is going to be the line segment, the opposite of angle A. And in this case, it would be 12. My adjacent will be what's connected to angle A, which is this line segment that is of value 5. So now that we have our opposite adjacent relative to angle A, we can solve. So sine of A is going to be opposite, which is 12, over hypotenuse, which is 13. Cosine of A is going to be adjacent, which is 5, over the hypotenuse, which is 13. And lastly, tangent is going to be opposite, which is 12, over adjacent, which is 5. Now let's take a look at angle B. Again, the opposite of our right triangle is always going to be our hypotenuse. The line segment opposite of angle B is going to be our line segment labeled 5. Our adjacent is the one next to B, and that's going to be our line segment, which is 12. The sine of B is the opposite, which is 5, over the hypotenuse, which is 13. The cosine is the adjacent, which is 12, and the hypotenuse is 13. And then the tangent is the opposite, which is 5, over the adjacent, which is 12. So to find the other three trig functions, we're just going to take the reciprocal. So cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So we just flip the value. So this would be 13 over 5. The reciprocal for cosine is secant, and we take the reciprocal of that, which would be 13 over 12. And cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, and that would give us 12 over 5. So there are the 6 trig functions of a right triangle. Any math topics you'd like me to cover, please leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you next time.